Hi all. Today I am going to discuss on interesting topic, that is construction cost. So many people will be in a dilemma that what will be the construction cost per 1000 square feet house. Okay, so in this video I am going to clarify all the doubts. So before going to start, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So here we'll discuss one by one. So before concluding what exactly the construction cost is, how it varies from one house to another house, okay, that we must know. Okay, it all depends on the material which we use, especially what happens when you construct a house. Mainly, before going to start, what exactly the plan that you must know. Before that, along with that, we must have the future plans, how many floors you are going to construct in future, as well as presently what will be the construction plan, and how many floors you are going to construct now, and what how many floors or how many number of floors you are going to construct in the future, that you must know. Okay, when you have those plans, then only you can easily able to design the structure. Okay, one of the major important thing is that when you plan, you must have the structural drawings. Okay, when you plan any of the building or a house, home, whatever, okay, you must have the plan first, later the structural drawings given by the structural engineer, certified or qualified structural engineer should be there. Based on that, we can easily find out the construction cost. Okay, briefly what I will do will be, in this video we'll be discussing on aesthetic material itself. Mainly, if you think that, for example, if you are going to construct a four-story building, like you can see in the figure, one two three four-story building. Okay, in this, what exactly the cost of construction, what type of material you are going to use. Okay, whatever the aesthetic material or finishing material which we use in the construction, okay, it may vary, but the structure should be same. Okay, whatever, whether you are using the costly aesthetic materials, you may using different types of floors, you may using any aesthetic like furnitures, if you are using furnitures. Okay, everything may change, but the thing is that it's a structural properties, that the material, the structural material which you are using will not change. Okay, here you can see, whatever we have the four buildings, those four buildings must have the structural ability. Okay, based on that, later it's a cost will vary, depends on the material, each aesthetic materials or finishing material which we use. Okay, so in this video we are going to construct or we are going to discuss on these different materials, like what type of materials, like what exactly the construction materials which we are using, that you must know. Okay, here I'll be discussing one by one. So we are divided into four parts: basic, standard, advanced, and premium. Okay, these four types of materials are there. Okay, especially in basic, we made a category that based on the cost of construction, okay, we'll be using those materials. For example, here in basic, okay, I am using JK cement and Dalmia cement, as the cost of these cements are less as compared to the Ultratech. Okay, whereas mainly this is for the people of the South India, because these costs are only applicable for the people in South India. Okay, it may vary from place to place, but here the whole cost of this table, or the construction cost is maybe applicable for South Indian people. Here you can see, here I am using JK or Dalby in basic. In standard I am using Ultratech, advanced, as well as premium I am using Ultratech. Whereas steel, I am not supposed to change this one. Okay, so here I am using Kamadhenu steel with the TMT bars, which is having compressive or tensile strength of 500 Newton per mm square. And here I am using the bricks which I am using in the construction. Okay, those are the red bricks or AAC blocks. In all the categories I am using the same things, because as I said, there is no much difference in the structural grade materials. Like that, what we are only the change will do here, it is the aesthetic materials. Here you can see the plastering will be same. I am not supposed to change this one. Either you may go for sand finish or plaster finish, whatever it may be. Apart from that, okay, the thickness of the plastering will be same. Plastering outside it will be same. And the plumbing material I am using, these are quite essential things. I am not supposed to use cheap material in the basic, and I am not supposed to use the higher end materials in the premium. All the four varieties or four categories, you must have these same materials. Okay, Astral. Okay, so I'm using a brand Astral material. Okay, whereas here in electrical cables, here in basic I'm using Anchor cables, as it is quite cheap as compared to V-Guard and GM. So I'll be using these things, or you may go for V-Guard as well as GM also. Okay, apart from these things, we have the flooring material. So as in electrical, Anchor is cheap as compared to V-Guard, that's why the basic and premium, the cost will vary. Okay, purely that these type of the differentiation will be done mainly based on the material which you are using. Okay, even though the cost will vary from one category to another category. Here in flooring we are using in granite. Okay, in basic we have the granite flooring, and the cost of granite which you are using is 70 to 80 rupees. As well as we are only using this for the living room. Okay, in basic we are only using for living room, and remaining rooms are with the vitrified tiles. Okay, and whereas when it comes to standard, the granite sheets of 3 by 8 size, and the cost of granite sheets, everywhere we are using granite sheets, and the cost of granite sheets are 80 to 90 rupees. Whereas here in advance we are using same size of granite sheets, but cost of granite sheets are different. It is 100 to 120, whereas here it is 110 to 130. Like that we'll be using the different the cost of material. Okay, purely whatever the cost of construction, it depends on the what cost of material which we are using, what quality of material which we are using for finishing purpose. Either it may be a flooring, painting, whatever it. Whereas it also depends on remaining non-structural elements such as the wood material which we are using for the door and windows. Mainly here in this categories we are only using the wood for door frames as well as shutter. For example, in basic we are using a teak wood of cost 3000 cubic feet for mainly main door and puja door, 3000 per cubic feet, and remaining doors are with neem wood, which is having a cost of 800 rupees per cubic feet. Whereas here in second category, that is in standard category, we are using 3500 rupees cubic feet wood, and apart from that we are using the remaining doors are with the Assam wood or honey wood. Okay, so honey is the type of wood which we get in especially in Karnataka, and or apart from that we have Assam wood also, and its cost is 1800 rupees per cubic feet. Apart from this, the third one, the next one, the advanced category, here we are using a teak wood of cost 4000 rupees per cubic feet for main door and puja door, and remaining all the doors are with the second quality teak wood of cost 2500 rupees per cubic feet. Okay, here main doors are 4000, and remaining doors are main and puja doors are with 4000 rupees per cubic feet, and the remaining doors are with 2500 rupees per cubic feet. Here you can see, whereas in premium category all doors are with 4000 rupees cubic feet teak wood, and because of these difference only we are having the difference in the cost of construction. Here you can see, especially in basic material, this is the basic one, this is standard, this is advanced, and this is premium. So especially in basic, for windows we are using 2-track aluminum windows, and in our standard we are using 3-track aluminum windows, whereas in advanced we are using 3-track aluminum or 2-track UPVC windows. Whereas in the premium, here we are using 3-track UPVC windows, 3-track UPVC windows, because here the cost of 2-track window is less as compared to 3-track. 3-track and 2-track UPVC are having some difference, and 3-track UPVC having more cost as compared to the remaining things. Okay, so because as I said, the construction cost mainly increases or varies depends on the material in the market. Okay, so here the labor cost may not be much varies, but the whatever thing we use, whatever the aesthetic materials or finishing material which we use in the construction, okay, that will vary. Here in false ceiling, okay, here in basic we are using false ceiling for room, living room. Here also in standard we are using false ceiling for living room itself, whereas in standard or sorry advanced we are using for living and bedrooms, as well as in premium also we are using the false ceiling for living as well as bedrooms. That's why when you have the more quantity, obviously it also increases the construction cost. Whereas here the electrical switches which we are using, the basic is GM modular switches. Okay, there are different models are there, Casa Viva, Casablanca, many models are there in the GM brand. Okay, so here in basic and standard we are using GM modular, and in advanced we are using GM glossy and designer switches. Apart from that, we have the sanitary fittings also, that is the Indian pan, commode, taps. Okay, all those things are comes under sanitary fitting. Here in the basic we are using Hindustan, and in standard also we are using Hindustan and or equivalent things. Apart from that, whereas in advanced and premium we will be using Serra brand. Okay, quite it is a branded material as compared to the previous one. So whereas Serra is use better finish materials as compared to remaining things. So here also we'll be having in advanced and premium we will be using the Serra. Okay, that's why as the cost increases, the construction cost also increases. Okay, whereas the wall tiles which you are using in the basic is 25 rupees square feet, standard is 30, advanced is 35, and premium is 45. And underground tank which you are going to construct is different with different category, and overhead tanks will be based on the brand. Here it is in basic we are using non-brand overhead tanks, and next one, whereas in standard we are using 3-layer Ganga or Kisan brand, and next in advanced and premium we will be using the 3-layer Syntex Titus brand. Okay, these are all the costly material as compared to, okay, the Ganga and Kisan you will be getting 5,000 rupees for 1000 liter tank. The Syntex Titus is around 8,000 rupees. Okay, as the material increases, okay, it all depends on your choice. Okay, based on the choices, the construction cost will also increase. Whereas grill work, MS grill work will have the less cost as compared to the stainless steel. Obviously in basic as well as standard we have MS grill, as well as and advanced in premium we have the SS grills, stainless steel grills. And the main another thing is the painting part, interior and exterior painting. Here in basic I am using the Tractor Shine as well as A Shine. Okay, these are all the quite basic or basic paints in Asian. Okay, apart from that in standard we are using emulsion, premium emulsion, as well as A Shine. Whereas in advanced I am using Royal and Apex, whereas in premium I am using Royal Aspira as well as Apex Ultima. Okay, here these are all the different. Okay, especially in paints, the first one is Asian Tractor Shine, after that premium emulsion, next Royal and Royal Aspira. Okay, based on its cost it is kept in the increasing order. Here also in this we are using A Shine, Apex and Ultima. Okay, so around Tractor Shine cost is around 2500 rupees per 20 liter barrel, whereas Royal Aspira is around 9 to 10,000 rupees, around 8 to 9,000 rupees barrel per 20 liter can. So all the material whatever the cost will increase, depends on the material which we choose. Okay, and now we'll discuss on the cost. Here you can see the cost of construction for one square feet. Per square feet is how much? 1750 for basic, that is, it purely depends on the slab area. For example, for 1000 square feet, what will be the construction cost? We'll check. And for in standard, when you use material which are in the category of standard, okay, the construction cost is 1850 per square feet. And when you come to the advanced material, whatever material which we use in the advanced category, the construction cost will be around 2000 rupees square feet. And in premium material, which are all comes under this category, that is cost of premium construction is 2150. Apart from that, this is all about the slab area cost. Apart from that, we have the periphery walls or compound wall. Okay, its a cost is around 1000 rupees running feet. Okay, whereas in standard category it is 1100. In advanced it is 1150, whereas in premium category we have 1200 rupees per running feet. Okay, so here apart from that, the client or the owner will have other expenses, that is cost of sanitary water supply connections, electrical connections, any permissions required by the authorities will be taken by the client itself. And many times the borewell as well as the electricity bill, water bill to be paid by the client itself. And remaining this, whatever the aesthetic materials like the furniture materials, lights, fan, whatever the requirements are there, everything to be brought by the client itself. Whatever the rates are there, whatever rates we have discussed here are all our construction cost up to the end. Okay, what aesthetic, these things are not included with the furniture items, electricity like wiring and fittings are also are only there. They are not mentioned the electricity or light bulbs, fan, everything is not mentioned in the list. That should that will not be there in the agreement also. So these things will cover, and the construction cost by using these things per square foot will be, especially in basic, construction cost for 1000 square feet slab area, for 1000 square feet it is whereas for standard, second one is standard, its a cost is 1850. For 1000 square feet to 1850, cost is 18 lakh 50,000. And for advanced, cost of construction per 1000 square feet is 20 lakh rupees. And for premium, requirement, cost of construction will be around 21 lakh 50,000 rupees. Okay, in this way I'll be choosing the required this one, what type of construction we are going to choose. Okay, one must have those okay, those knowledge, that is construction knowledge of construction cost. Okay, as the material varies, obviously the cost will vary, and once the agreement is finalized it will not be changed. Okay, and agreement must include the things which you are using to construct. Okay, whatever you are discussed with the contractor, that should be there in the written agreement. Okay, these are all the categories, whatever agreement or whatever material which we choose. For example, Here I am going to choose this one. I want Ultratech cement. Sorry. Here if I want Ultratech cement for construction, and steel I am using this bricks 12 mm, and plastic only 15 mm. I am using Astral, Vigard, and I am using granite this one, Teakwood this one, and I am using this category. And okay, for windows I am using 3-track. Okay, now I am using this one. Sanitary fitting I am using Seraph brand this one, or I may go for higher end also, so I'll choose this one. And I want ceramic tiles of 35 rupees. I want 5000 6000 liter tank, and I want this overhead tank, steel grill, and I am using Asian Royal paint and Ultima. Like that we can choose different materials also. Okay, based on that the client will make the agreement to complete the construction. It may vary, okay, but the maximum cost of construction using this one is around 2150 rupees. Even though you may have some discussion and it may come up to at the end, this construction cost may reduce up to 2000 2075 per square feet. This is the construction cost, especially in the North India, or I can say especially in Karnataka. Okay, thank you. I think you understood. Think you got a bit concept, or the things about the construction, for what will be the construction cost per 1000 square feet. Okay, if you really like this video, whatever the session or discussion we have done, okay, if you really like this one, please share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and press bell icon for upcoming technical videos. Thank you.